To create the Lewis structure of carbonic acid, we must first evaluate how many valence electrons each element has. First we have hydrogen. Hydrogen has one valence electron. Now, a valence electron is an electron in the outermost energy shell, and those are going to be the electrons that are going to be bonding with each other. Next we have carbon. Carbon has 4 valence electrons. And finally, oxygen, which has 6 valence electrons. Now, to start the Lewis structure, we start with carbon, because it's the middle element in this equation, and has 4 valence electrons, so 4 possible places for bonding. So we draw on the 4 valence electrons, 3, 4. Right. Next we proceed to the oxygen, and there's 3 oxygens, so we draw those in. And we draw on the 6 valence electrons on each oxygen. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, 2 electrons make a bond, so we're going to circle those 2 electrons that are touching. And notice here how we have a double bond to help fulfill the octet rule. And finally, we're left with the 2 hydrogen. And notice the 2 places for bonding available for this hydrogen. Now, to make sure this Lewis structure is correct, we should evaluate it and make sure the octet rule is fulfilled by each element. We'll start with carbon. Carbon has 2, 4, 6, 8 electrons, which fulfills the octet rule. This oxygen has 2, 4, 6, 8. This oxygen 2, 4, 6, 8. This oxygen 2, 4, 6, 8. Now, however, these hydrogens only have 2 electrons, but that's okay because it fills up the first energy shell.